Welcome back again for another video, and for this video we will be key mapping the scout mode that is exclusive only for Redmagic phones, and we will be key mapping that using Flydigi. So let's go. Let's start!
Get ready.
Scout mode is this. As you can see this icon, this is the scout mode. So you can enable that if you swipe left or right. This is the scout mode. So it is enabled, this is disabled, and this is enabled. So if you press this icon once, there you go. So it's an automatic scope. So if you don't have any scope, you will have an automatic scope using the scout mode. So if you have scope, it further magnifies your scope. So we will key map that using Flydigi. So if you press this once, scout mode will activate, and if we press this again, scout mode will deactivate. We will be key mapping that using Flydigi app. So it will be like this. If you press one button, it will scope and it will do scout mode. So if you release a button, there you go. So this is the normal scope. See? And this is the scope with scout mode. See? Let's test it to this bot. So this is the normal scope. See? And this is the scope with scout mode. See the big difference? Normal scope with red dot and the red dot with scout mode. See the big difference, right? See? So once again, normal scope with red dot with scout mode. So it's a big difference. So it will magnify much further if you have a 4 times scope or 6 times scope. So to key map that, open Flydigi app, edit, add a button, any buttons that you like. So in this case, I'll choose B. Click this. So choose instant, confirm, put this on the scout mode icon here. So make another button, letter B. This is the second B. Click this and choose buy release, confirm. Put this on the scout mode icon. Save. So let's try it. If you press and hold the letter B, it will be like that. So if you release the letter B, see? If you press and hold the letter B, it will do scout mode. So if you release the letter B, it deactivates the scout mode. So we will be combining it with scope. So open Flydigi app, edit, B. So this is the final B, the third and final B for our scout mode, and put this on the scope icon here. This is the scope icon. Save, and let's test it. So if we press and hold the B for our scout mode and the scope, there you go. And if you release the B button for our scout mode and scope, so once again, so let's press and hold the letter B and release. See? So let's do that again. If we press and hold the letter B, so maybe it's the scout mode button and the scope. So it depends on you what button that you will use. Press and hold and fire. See? Press and hold, fire, and release. See? It's like doing normal scope. So there you go. Or you can also do this. So open Flydigi app, edit. Let's make button. Let's say 6. Put this on the scout mode here. Save. And if you press once the number 6 button, it will activate and you can scope. And you can manually press the scope. See? It's up to you if you want to do that or the other way around. See? And if you want to exit the scout mode, press the 6 button again. See? It really depends on you on what do you like. But I really prefer the press and hold. So it's like doing normal scope, but with a scout mode. See? So there you go for combining the scout mode and the Flydigi. So that's it. So I hope that you learned something from this video. Click the like button if you like this video and if you learned something from this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for more key mapping tutorials just like this one. DIY tutorials or do-it-yourself tutorials, reviews, and other contents. So that's all, and see you in my next video.
Get ready.